Magandang buhay! It's reading time once again with Teacher Lynn Ganda. This time, we're going to read words with short I sound. Short I says if. If. Ulitin natin. Sabayan niyo ako. If. Magaling. Ngayon, ako ang unang magbabasa ng mga salita. Pagkatapos, uulitin natin ng sabay. Tara! Bib, bid, big, bill, bin. Ulitin natin. Sabayan niyo ko. Bib, bid, big, bill, bin. Magaling. Bit, did, dig, dim, dip. Again. Bit, did, dig, dim, dip. Fig, feel, fin, fear, fit. Again. Fig, feel, fin, fear, fit. Fix, hid, heal, him, hip. Again. Fix, hid, heal, him, hip. Hiss, hit, jill, jim, kick. Again. Hiss, hit, jill, jim, kick. Kid, kill, kin, kiss, kit. Again. Kid, kill, kin, kiss, kit. Lick, lid, limb, lip, lit. Again. Lick, lid, limb, lip, lit. Mid, meal, miss, mix, nib. Again. Mid, meal, miss, mix, nib. Pick, pig, peel, pin, pit. Again. Pick, pig, peel, pin, pit. Thank you for reading with me today. Have a great day ahead. God bless.